Bagong pamili na naman. Walking tour, naging shopping tour. Look ah. Woohoo! Hello. Okay. Bagong pamili na naman. Walking tour, naging shopping tour. Ayan, mag-fishing sila oh. Later, may mga night fishing activities. Dinner shop. Pag dumiretso tayo, makita natin yung kabilang beach. Yun o, parang may heart na malalaman natin. Starting Prestige Sea View and Spa. Right.
Kau bahasa ini? Biasa boleh. Ada kan?
Parang maganda rito, no? Ah, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Slippers? We just want to check if you can make a like dinner setup by the beach. No, maybe just candlelight dinner by the beach, like table and setup.
Now too late to book because we need to book 3 hours before.
Okay.
3 o'clock.
But is it something that you can do? If we book?
Can we do tomorrow?
Yeah, maybe some other day.
Yeah,
You
tomorrow
know.
you can.
How much for the
For just normal setup, that will be 20.
$20?
Yeah, the setup only.
But okay,
But
not
if
included.
Cabana, we have different price, depend on which package. It's Cabana setup. If normal, only the takeout.
Okay. And then you order food separately.
Yeah,
Okay. If we order cabana, this is the setup.
yeah, this is the setup and this is the menu. You can choose one.
Okay. Chicken, fish, vegetables, veggie rice, butter potato, fruit platter. Wow. Okay. And then which location?
This.
Okay, this side. Okay. Thank you. Let's
Sabi
see.
ko sa'yo dito yun eh.
Let's see how it looks like. Baka may nakaset up doon.
Pinicture kasi nila to eh, di ba?
Ha?
Pumasok sila dyan.
Sino? Sina...
Irene at saka si Devon.
Okay.
Tapos yung tinanong din nila kung nagsiset up nga to. May mga restaurants nga na nagsiset up nga.
Ayan, sa may beach. Pasok tayo. Uy, parang... ito yung playground. For the kids. Kaya familiar to. Yung iling na to. Panood natin ito. Pwede tayo kumain dito sa Triton. Pero masarap yung kaninang kinainan natin. Oo. Tapos, ito rin may Mafushi Cafe. Parang mas maganda on this side. Parang mas relax.
Sa lang tayo malapit yun.
Parang mas relax yung datingan dito. Ayan. Snow Bikini Beach pa rin siya.
No bikini.
Tapos dito rin yata yung may mga DJ party.
Dito lang tayo sa America.
Oo, naging music festival yata. May nakita akong poster kanina din. Ang Sushi Cafe.
Kasi dati hindi naman tayo umiinom. So pwede tayo tumambay dito umayang gabi.
Okay lang din naman dahil wala talagang alcohol dito kasi.
Yun nga, kasi nga hindi naman tayo alam. Paano makakapag-enjoy tayo?
Yeah, pwede tayo dito mamayang gabi.
Kasi sa atin mag-apunan.
Oo, nambay tayo dito. Ayun po, Sunrise Beach, Mafushi. Pilitin natin yung isura nung sa may area na yun. May mga public ferry din. $8. Mura lang. May lunch din.
Lunch buffet, oh. Mag-lunch buffet kaya tayo. Kaya lang mag-tour tayo bukas eh.
Oo nga. Ayun oh, mura lang oh. Sunrise.
May romantic dinner din sila.
Yun. Si Sunrise yan. Sunrise and Triton. Triton nga ba? Oo, ito siya. Sunrise Beach Restaurant. Ayun. Sunrise Beach, Mafushi. Check mo muna yung itsura ng loko. Woohoo! Hello. Dinner? How much? 12. No discount? Yeah.
Five different type of dinner. You can choose which one.
How much is your romantic dinner?
This is every week, 3 days we are doing dinner on the beach buffet, $12 per person. And then there's option, different price like $75, $85, $90, different menu, different prices. Once you go here, you see there's board with all details.
Okay.
So which kind of food, which kind of setup there,
Yeah.
which type of food they serve, what time to what time.
How about for the romantic dinner? How much?
We can
Just
check
like
there.
Check the package.
There's so many options. You can choose which one, which type of food you like, which type of setup, even picture there.
Okay. Thank you. We'll check it.
I think this one yung buffet is cheaper.
Oh,
Kaya lang, you
Sunrise.
share it with other people. Pero you still have the feel na nandiyan ka pa rin sa may beachfront. Kasi yun, it would cost you $90 per person.
I want to take off my slippers here. Wow. May lumabas kaya dito rin something. May nakita akong butas. Ayan o. Wala pa isa. Baka may mga nag-hide. Gusto namin try yung dinner dito. Ayan. Romantic dinner. Ayan, parang masarap pag may gandang dulo. Okay. Ganda ng sun. Check natin yung sunrise.
For the romantic. Or if they offer yung buffet, maybe we can do buffet dinner na lang tomorrow.
Tapos dyan din naman yun, di ba? Oo.
And there's a beach.
Oo.
Hindi nga lang siyang setup na ano kasi buffet. Makatipa kita sa buffet, pwede ka bumalik-balik.
Ang maganda doon sa isa din, may setup naman yung ano.
Meron.
Dito wala. Pero okay lang kasi by the beach. Hello. Hi. Gusto mo dito tayo mag-swimming? Ayun o. Doon o. Check natin yung sa bandang dulo dun sa.
Bawal dito makalabas ang bolito.
Covered naman eh.
Babasain ko din to.
Oh. Covered ka naman. Hala, ang ganda ng sun. Ito lang, apakan ko siya. Ang ganda ng sun. Ayun. Tapos ito yung playground dun, siguro sa school din yan. Mahafivati. Doon no, check natin yung itsura ng. Kung tutuusin, malapit yung guest house din dito sa lugar na to. Beach view naman tayo. Beach view. Ganda oh. Wala, natawa na ako sa sun. This is the beach. Grabe. Picture nga tayo dito. Ang ganda pala ng view dito. Okay. Tapos na mag-picture. Tahan natin yung beach. Ha?
Ang ganda rin yung water.
Oo. Ganda ng tubig. Ayun, dyan sila nag-iihaw ng tuna, oh. Ayun, nag-grilling station.
Masarap yung multo.
Tara, swimming tayo. Check natin. Teka lang. Parang gusto namin mag-swimming dito sa side nito. Nahabol ako. Parang sige. Ito lang sa Dalampasigan. Tara. Hindi na tayo lumipad. Ay, lumipad. Ganda ng setup nila. By the beach.